Hey guys, this is Amber and I'm coming to you with a new video. Today is a good day. I am starting my Sisterlock journey with this shortcut here. It's actually faded and everything. I got some color in here. Wanted to start off so that my hair wasn't like boring or anything like that when I install my locks, being that I know I won't be able to color my hair for at least like maybe the first year, I think. So this is my before, and I'm gonna try to turn around for you guys to see that it's very short. That is the beginning. This color, some blue, purple, something going on. I did bleach my hair prior to this video, so prior to me dyeing my hair. So I'm about to go inside and get my locks installed, and I'm gonna see if I can get a little bit of the process for you guys. But coming from this shortcut to my Sisterlocks today, right now, it's happening. All right, see you guys. Bye.